Hello guys, in this video I will show you that how to download and install That's Not My Neighbor game in your Windows PC or laptop. So first you have to open up any browser, and here in the Google search box just type That's Not My Neighbor game. So after you type it, just hit the enter and just scroll down until you find the website which has name itch.io. So once you come to this website which has the itch.io, and you will see this has the 4.7 star ratings. So you have to just open this website link. So once this page will come up, here you have to just scroll all the way down and until you find the option to download this game. You can also download this demo version of this game. Just scroll down until you find the download demo option. So here you are seeing you can download the demo version for your Windows, and you can also download the demo for your Mac or Linux. So to download the demo version, you have to just click on this download option. And if you want to download the original game, just scroll up and you will see the option to buy now. So you have to just click on this buy now, and here you are seeing you have to just pay the amount which is the $3 or $2.99. And here you will also support the developer by just paying the above amount. So here you have to just put your email, and you can also pay with your card, or you can also pay with your PayPal. So after the payment, it will start downloading into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download That's Not My Neighbor game in your PC. So if this guide is helpful for you, so please like it, also subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video.